Hey guys, welcome back. Just another quick video. Yes, this is a different camera, so apologies. it's not as fancy. But I wanted to just show you how I'm storing my Nuvo drops or those sort of things, or like my distress stickles, that kind of thing. I have this little unit here, and I think it's meant for like tools and stuff, for like men that do hardcore stuff like that. I don't know. So I have this little tool thing, and I literally have a couple of the Nuvos in the drawer, and I've put them in rainbow order because I don't have like a million of them. but I store them on this side. It also helps when you're trying to use it when it's on its side, as opposed to sort of standing up right there. You've got to get the fluid in there to come out, if that makes any sense. So I store them like this. Two of them fit in there really nicely in these little drawers, and then I can also see what I have. This one is the glaze and what's that thing called, glossy accents. And then this one has my distress stickles, all three of them. And then that's puffy paint. And then I do have some other doodads down here, but I just thought I'd update you on this storage. Thought that might be useful for you. And then no, I think I'll leave it at that. I'll do another video on the other thing I was going to do. If that makes any sense. Anyway, just a quick one for you. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye.